In this question, it says the roots of the equation kx squared minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0 are equal. What is the value of k? Well, remember, the condition for equal roots is b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0. So your a is k, your b is minus 3, and your c is 2. And we substitute that in here, so that gives us minus 3 all squared minus 4 times a, which is k, times c, which is 2. So that would give us 9 minus 8k, that's equal to 0. That's equal to minus 9. So that would just give me a positive 9 over 8, because a negative divided by a negative give me a positive. So k would equal to 9 over 8.